We are almost done with this chapter. Let's end it off with learning how to multiply and divide mass. Iggy has 5 boxes of oranges. The mass of each box of oranges is 4 kilograms. What is the mass of 5 boxes of oranges altogether? Since 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20, the mass of 5 boxes of oranges is 20 kilograms altogether.
Let's try one more example. 3 tins of milk powder weigh 24 kilograms. Each tin has the same mass. What is the mass of each tin of milk powder? 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Therefore, each tin of milk powder weighs 8 kilograms.
Hooray! You have successfully completed another chapter. Let's try out a quiz to test your skills.